Hey travelers! Today I'm breaking down how to get a tourist visa for Montenegro in 2025. It's simpler than you think, so let's dive right in. First things first, you need to figure out which visa type you need. If you're planning to stay up to 90 days within a 6-month period, you'll need a short stay visa, also known as a Visa C. For longer stays, you'll need a long stay visa or Visa D. But for tourism, Visa C is usually the way to go. Next, gather your documents. You'll need a completed visa application form, which you can find on the official Montenegrin government website. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 3 months beyond your intended stay and has at least 2 blank pages. You also need 2 recent passport-sized color photos. Write a cover letter explaining your visit's purpose and travel plans. Don't forget your travel itinerary, including flight reservations and hotel bookings. Make sure you have travel insurance covering at least 30,000 euros for medical emergencies. You'll also need to show proof of financial means, like bank statements from the last 3 months, payslips, or a sponsorship letter. Lastly, provide proof of accommodation, either through hotel bookings or an invitation letter from a host in Montenegro. Now it's time to submit your application. Visit the nearest Montenegrin embassy or consulate with all your documents. The application form is available in PDF format on the official website. You'll need to pay a visa fee, which is around 80 euros for adults. Check the embassy or consulate for accepted payment methods. The processing time is typically up to 15 calendar days, so make sure to apply well in advance of your travel date. Once your visa is ready, you'll be notified to collect it from the embassy or consulate. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to exploring the beautiful landscapes of Montenegro in no time. Safe travels and see you in Montenegro.